In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a receipt in Zoho Books. Whether you're running a small business or need to keep track of sales smoothly, Zoho Books offers a straightforward solution to helping you manage your transactions efficiently. Let's walk through the process of generating a sales receipt from start to finish, ensuring you understand each step clearly. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a section labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you need to select Sales Receipts. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage your sales receipts. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to get started with creating a new sales receipt. Look for the plus New button at the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll initiate the process of drafting your sales receipt. Clicking on this button will open a new form for you to fill in. Next, we need to fill in the sales receipt details. Begin by selecting the customer's name from the drop-down list. This ensures that the receipt is properly attributed to the correct customer. After that, choose the date of the transaction by clicking on the receipt date. This date is essential for keeping accurate records. The sales receipt number will appear, and it's typically auto-generated to ensure uniqueness. However, if you prefer to customize this number, just click on the gear icon to make adjustments. Now on to the item details. You'll want to add the items or services that were sold. This section should include the descriptions, quantities, and rates of each item or service. This information helps to break down the sale and provides clarity on what was included in the transaction. Next, select the payment mode. Options could include cash, credit card, or bank transfer, depending on how you received payment. This helps in tracking how the transaction was settled. In cases where you have a reference number for the payment, make sure to enter it in the reference number field. It's not mandatory, but it can be useful for record-keeping purposes. Then, select the account where the payment will be deposited. This is crucial for financial tracking, so ensure you choose the right account that aligns with your company's accounting practices. If you have any notes for the customer, perhaps thanking them for their purchase or providing additional details, you can include these in the Customer Notes section. Additionally, if there are any specific terms and conditions associated with the transaction, be sure to specify them in the relevant section. Finally, you have the option to either save the sales receipt or send it out to the customer. If you're not quite ready to send it, click Save to store the receipt. However, if you're all set and want to email it to the customer, click Save and Send. This will ensure the customer receives their receipt promptly via email, making the process seamless for both you and them. By following these steps, you'll be able to create and manage sales receipts efficiently within Zoho Books, keeping your financial records organized and up to date.